Have you ever heard of the 90-90-90 rule in finance? It's a pretty brutal reality check. It says that 90% of new day traders will lose 90% of their money within the first 90 days. That's a staggering failure rate. It makes you wonder, is making a fortune from day trading just a myth sold by online gurus in rented Lamborghinis? Well, not exactly, but the truth is far from the get-rich-quick fantasy they promise. The path to success isn't about flashy cars or secret indicators. It's about discipline, strategy, and understanding the real game being played. Let's rewind to the 1980s and talk about one of the most famous experiments in trading history, the turtle traders. Two legendary traders, Richard Dennis and William Eckhart, had a debate. Dennis believed that great traders could be made, not just born. Eckhart disagreed, so they made a bet. They decided to find a group of ordinary people, teach them a specific trading system, and see if they could turn them into millionaires. They put out an ad in the Wall Street Journal and were flooded with applicants. From this pool, they selected 14 people from all walks of life. This group included a professional backgammon player, a fantasy game designer, an accountant, and even a security guard. They weren't Wall Street insiders. They were just regular people who were willing to learn. These chosen few were given just 2 weeks of intense training on a complete, rule-based trading system. Then they were given real money from Richard Dennis's own account to trade. The results were mind-blowing. This group, nicknamed the Turtles, went on to earn over $100 million in profits in just a few years. They proved Dennis right. Trading could be taught. But what was their secret? It wasn't some mystical gut feeling or a crystal ball. It was a cold, hard, mathematical system. The Turtles were taught a set of precise rules for when to buy, when to sell, how much to risk on each trade, and how to manage their positions. Their success wasn't based on emotion or guesswork. It was based on disciplined execution of a proven strategy, day in and day out. They were essentially trained to be trading robots, following the system without deviation. This story highlights the biggest misconception about day trading. Successful trading isn't about being a maverick genius who can predict the market's every move. It's about having a statistical edge and the discipline to apply it consistently over time. The system the Turtles used was a trend-following system. In simple terms, they bought when markets were making new highs and sold short when they were making new lows. They followed the trend. The key was their risk management. They cut their losses short and let their winners run. Most of their trades were actually small losers, but they were more than offset by a few massive winning trades that they rode for as long as possible. This is the complete opposite of how most beginners trade, who tend to take small profits quickly and let their losses grow, hoping for a turnaround. So, if having a system is the key, how much money do you actually need to start day trading and put a system into practice? You might see apps that let you start with just a few $100s. And while that's technically true, it sets you up for failure. In the United States, there's a regulation called the Pattern Day Trader Rule, or PDT rule. This rule states that if you make 4 or more day trades, that's buying and selling the same stock within the same day, in a 5-day period, you are classified as a pattern day trader. And to be a pattern day trader, you must maintain a minimum account balance of $25,000. If your account drops below that, your trading is restricted until you bring the balance back up. Why does this rule exist? It's partly to protect new, undercapitalized traders from blowing up their accounts too quickly. Trading with a small account is incredibly difficult. Every dollar lost is a huge percentage of your capital. Plus, commissions and fees can eat away at your profits before you even get started. Without that $25,000 cushion, you're not just fighting the market. You're fighting the rules. You're trying to compete against market sharks, huge institutional funds with teams of PhDs and supercomputers that can execute trades in microseconds. They have access to information and technology that the average retail trader can only dream of. They are the house, and the odds are stacked in their favor. This brings us to a crucial point. Day trading is not gambling, but it's also not a hobby. It's a high-stress, full-time job. Successful traders spend hours researching, analyzing charts, backtesting their strategies, and keeping a detailed journal of every single trade. They treat it like a business, not a trip to the casino. They understand that they will have losing days and losing weeks. The goal isn't to win every trade, it's to be profitable over the long run. This requires immense psychological fortitude. Can you stick to your plan when you've just lost 5 trades in a row? Can you resist the urge to chase a hot stock that everyone is talking about? Can you pull the trigger on a trade that your system tells you to take, even if you're scared? The emotional roller coaster of watching your money fluctuate second by second is something most people are simply not prepared for. The pressure to make instant decisions can lead to revenge trading, trying to win back money you just lost, which almost always leads to even bigger losses. This is why the 90-90-90 rule is so powerful. It's not just about the money, it's about the psychological toll. The market is an expert at exploiting human emotions like fear and greed. Without a rock-solid plan and the discipline of a turtle trader, the average person is likely to be chewed up and spit out by the market. So before you dream of quitting your job to become a day trader, ask yourself if you have the capital, the strategy, and most importantly, the mental toughness to compete in one of the most competitive arenas in the world. So, what's the final verdict? Is day trading for you? It's not the golden ticket to instant riches that some people want you to believe. The reality is that it's an incredibly challenging profession where the vast majority of people fail. Success stories like the turtle traders show that it is possible to make money, but only through rigorous discipline, a robust system, and significant capital. It's not about gut feelings. It's about math, probabilities, and emotional control. Think of it less like a lottery ticket and more like training to be a professional athlete. It requires dedication, practice, and the ability to handle constant pressure and setbacks. If you are struggling with financial stress or the emotional challenges of trading, it's important to talk to someone. Organizations like the National Foundation for Credit Counseling can offer guidance. Your mental health is more valuable than any trade. Do you have the stomach for the stock market, or have you ever tried day trading? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of finance, make sure to subscribe to FactBite Daily and hit that notification bell for more wealth bites. Thanks for watching.